Update Volleyball. Haikyuu Legends. New volleyball update. Ronaldo. Ellie Ronaldo. Where's the update? Update 27 matchmaking. Update 27 matchmaking overhaul. Performance improvements. Performance based elo. Lag decreased. 2x secret pity weekend. No new unit, so no new characters. They're just like a quality of life update. New matchmaking, pretty much elo improvements. No new secret. No new secret. Where's the new secret? I want a new secret. Kazana is going to be gone in 6 days. If you get Kazana, you can keep him in your inventory. Otherwise, he's gonna be gone. We do have every single new working code inside of Volleyball Skis, Legends, Haikyuu Legends. Let's see what kind of codes did I miss. What did I miss? What did I miss? Let's go. Million. 1 million. Fire emoji. Fire emoji 1 million. 5 lucky spins. Don't miss out on any future codes. Like the video and sub up. If you are in need of an extra slot, do you need an extra slot for abilities or styles? Comment down below. Kazana. Comment down below Kazana if you need an extra slot. I'll be choosing 2 winners so you can actually get yourself the extra slots. The only thing that you have to do is comment Kazana. If you have commented Kazana, you're good to go. Other than that, we got the next code. Matchmaking. What did I miss? Matchmaking. Match underscore. No. Matchmaking underscore please underscore work. Matchmaking underscore please work. Underscore. Ronaldo. Okay, it worked. It actually worked. It worked. Matchmaking worked. Update underscore 27. Update 2027. If you're watching in 2027, comment down below 2027. Don't forget to sub up and like the video for future codes. If you're in need of for future codes in 2027, sub up and like the video. The next update will be next week with some new working codes. Other than that, these were actually all the codes. If there's any new ones, I'll make an update video. Be on the lookout for these codigos. How many spins? 172. We are stacking the spins.